Good day. So you say we eat and eat and eat. People eat every day. So my page is meant for posting videos on how to make recipes for food. Today we are going to prepare a local ice cream just using simple ingredients in Ghana here. Ghana, we love ice cream. I love ice cream. I hope you do love it. So follow me through as we glance through the recipe and how to make a delicious, simple ice cream. Hi guys, as I said again, so I'm going to glance you through the ingredients I'll be using for this simple, delicious, tasty ice cream. All our coconuts here, you cut them into sizable shapes so that you can blend so easily. And then you have your banana flavor because the banana goes good with the coconuts. You see, when you add the coconuts with the banana, it tastes so sweet. So I used the banana flavor. I didn't use the vanilla. I wanted to use the banana because it clicks with the coconut. Then we have our milk here. This is the evaporated milk. So you add evaporated milk when you add the milk, powdered milk to it. Then we have our sticks for putting into the disposable cups when you are done with the mixtures. Then here's our powdered needle. I used Mixie because I love Mixie a lot. So guys, let's go through the process. So we are done with the blending of the coconuts. As you can see over here, you blend it. You have to add water before you blend, and then you see how it is. So we will strain it to get our liquid. Then I like a lot of needle, you see. So you're going to boil the needle so that you get the ice cream texture. So you stir, but as now it's not on heat. So right now I want to stir so that there won't be no forming of lumps. So I'm done with the adding of the powdered milk. So now I'm going to boil it on a low heat so that we get the thick liquid I want for the coconut ice cream. keep boiling it for a while. Then you add your sugar, like a lot of. So the sugar you add to amounts that you want. You can either use condensed milk or you add sugar, but I prefer adding sugar to it. So you stir for a while till the sugar dissolves, or till the condensed milk dissolves fully with the liquid or mixture. Of the milk powder added with water. Then you take it off. So you add your blended coconut. It smells so good.
Yummy.
So we can't do it like this. You can see there's a coconut blended together, so we are going to strain it to get our size full liquid that we want for the coconut ice cream. Okay, it's quite late though, so I had to put the light on to video it clearly so you can see it. So we are done straining it. Then we add our vanilla essence, so it will taste good. So after that, we add our evaporated milk to it. So we are done adding the flavor. We add our evaporated milk to it. Oh God, it's gonna taste delicious. So this is a simple home remedy to make the coconut ice cream in the house using a simple ingredient. As I mentioned earlier, use evaporated milk, then you use mixy powdered milk. I like mixy because it tastes sweet, so I use mixy. Then you use your vanilla essence, sugar, coconut, then you blend and you add, then sugar. I think that's all. So ready to serve. So start serving. I hope it doesn't pour out. Oh my God. Definitely started pouring out. Okay, I know what to do. We'll start using this way. I think I didn't use our crate measurement. Let me take one from this and then use it. So guys, we are done. You put your steak in it, then you serve it in the fridge. Serve chilled. I think you leave it for the next day. Yeah, so when you go to take it, ready to serve. Okay, bye bye. So subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and then request for more videos that you want me to show you the recipe for it. Bye. guys, we are done with the coconut ice cream. We had to put in the fridge and then leave it for like a day so that it will become fully chilled and then you consume it. Oh my goodness. So this is how you do it. And then coconut ice cream. Let me take one and at least let me enjoy. Yummy. So that's it, guys.